Merchant's Watchdog is an entry-level retail management system. It provides all the essential information and tools required for a retailer who is discovering the benefits of automating their retail business. It allows retailers to manage their stores more efficiently, not only just to stay in business and merely compete, but also to grow and boost sales. Merchant's Watchdog is a 2-time award-winning, intuitive and easy-to-use total business automation and management system with over 25 years of practical application running small to medium-sized retail business. With Merchant's Watchdog, the growth path is already set for you. As your sales grow, Merchant's Watchdog will grow with you. From the point-of-sale system, to a complete retail management system, Platinum Retail, to a multi-channel solution, Brick and Click, allowing you to sell 24/7 on your own website, as well as different marketplaces such as eBay. This means as you add items to your store system, you expose them to millions of potential new customers without the cost of advertising. The Merchant's Watchdog software consists of 2 separate applications, the back-office software for managing your business and the point-of-sale software. To begin the demo, we'll start in the back-office software. If we go into the Inventory menu and then Items, this is where we're able to add new items. Here we are able to scan the item to enter its barcode into the system, give it a name, enter in the cost on our end, and the selling price. We're also able to set units of measure. If the item comes from a case or parent item, the vendor we received the item from, the location of the item. We can also enter if the item is taxable. And if you live in an area where you have different sales taxes for certain items, you can set the tax table. We are also able to enter in the department for the item and add pictures so the item is visible on the checkout screen. We can also check inventory status, add comments for the cashier to use suggestive marketing, check sales history, and see our various vendors for this item. Back in the Inventory menu, we can adjust inventory directly, set up promotional pricing for items, update cost for items if they have changed, or easily change an item number if a company changes their barcodes. If we go into inventory reports, there are a plethora of inventory reports that we can run. As you can see, we can at any time run a general inventory report, a report that will show us our hot selling or slow moving items, price list, sales history, monthly loss or shrinkage report, cost of sales, inventory valuation, or a zero sales report. The physical inventory worksheet is very helpful for when you go through and do an actual physical on-hand inventory account in your store. We can also run a category group report, zero on-hand report, and a mix and match report. If we quickly go into inventory valuation and then click select, we can see that the reports have a good amount of different search criteria, so we're able to customize them to how we need them. For this report, we'll select Summary, click the Report button, and preview it before we print. Quickly and easily, we can see a lot of really important information for any business. Our total units sold, as well as total sales, cost, and profit. We can also see the total number of units on hand, the total value of our inventory, and the total retail value of the same inventory. We can also use this report to check our total month-to-date quantity losses or shrink. Back on the Inventory menu, we can set up mix and match items, kit items, add or edit departments, and check our physical inventory. Now if we go into the receiving menu, we have several options. If we go into manual receiving, we can receive items into the system by barcode or manufacturer number. We'll select item number and then select the vendor from a list. Now that we have confirmed the vendor, we can receive items from a new order by simply pressing the Add button, scanning the barcode of the item, entering the number of units received, and then we click Done when we're finished with that item. Occasionally we will order new items that are not in the system, and Merchants Watchdog offers an Add on the Fly feature, so we can scan the new item and easily add it into the system at the time of receiving. We simply enter the description for the item, a replacement cost, our selling price, and click Save. After we have completed scanning in an order, we just click Save and Print, click Post to update the quantities in the system, and then either choose to print or not print. Receiving orders is as simple as this. With the addition of a barcode printer, we're also able to print barcode labels, either in shelf format or for a specific item. We're also able to enter vendor information or edit it as we need to from the receiving menu. In the customer menu, we are able to add in or edit customer information for stores that have the need to keep track of customer purchases. In the Manager menu, we are able to run a lot of different functions for setup of the store, including adding in employees and sales clerks. We can also use the security level authorization function to set different levels of access to the software for different employees. This means that the owner of the store can have all functionality, the manager can have slightly less, and we can work our way down so that a cashier only has access to the point of sale itself. Our software also interfaces with different accounting packages, including QuickBooks, to ease and assist us when it comes to tax time. Now in the point of sale portion of the software, we have several different options in the sales menu. The first, Sales, will take us into the portion of the application that we use for checkout. We have the option to use the customer database if we'd like, or that function can be turned off completely. At this screen, we simply scan the barcodes of items at checkout, and once complete, we subtotal, enter the amount given, and the software tells the cashier the amount of change to give back. This will also kick the cash drawer open and print a receipt for the customer as well. We also have the ability to do split tender transactions. The software also offers a training feature for training new cashiers so that no inventory is adjusted and any mistakes made do not affect the sales history. We are also able to issue gift cards, store credit, and edit or cancel transactions. At any time, we can run a flash sale transaction report and preview or print it. This is a really quick and easy way to check sales for the day. In Register Closing, we have the ability to run an X out or Z out just like with a normal cash register. Under Time Cards, a business owner can have all of his employees clock in and clock out through the system, which will keep accurate track of an employee's hours and is much more difficult to cheat than a time punch. In summary, Merchants Watchdog is an intuitive and easy-to-use, feature-packed entry-level retail management software. And with a set growth path, the software can grow with your business.